In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a piece of code within your domain DNS records to add an extra layer of security and improve the email deliverability rate anytime you send out emails to your audience. So we use GoDaddy. So in this example, we're logged into our GoDaddy account and we're on our specific domain DNS records. So we're going to click the add new record. We're going to select the type as TXT. And then in the name section, we're going to put _ DMARC. And if you are adding a DMARC for a subdomain, you would just type in dot and then the name of that subdomain would go right after the DMARC. But in this example, we're just going to use the root domain, so we're not going to include the subdomain. And then in the value, we're going to input v equals DMARC1 semicolon p equals none semicolon. And then the TTL, we'll just leave it at half an hour. And then we're going to click save. And then the DNS record has been updated. So this will increase the deliverability. This basically just adds an extra layer of security to your domain and basically just says you are who you say you are. Anytime you're sending out an email, it basically verifies that you are that actual brand and protects you from phishing and email fraud. So that is basically how you set up a DMARC record within your DNS settings.